Hello everyone, today we are diving into an exciting tutorial where we will be using Python to extract and visualize data from Matlab's fig files. If you are moving from Matlab to Python or simply want to work with Matlab data in a more versatile environment, this video is for you. So let us suppose you have some MATLAB figure. For example, here I have a MATLAB figure with a figure name fig1. If you want to open it, it's basically a line plot. Now let's say you want to extract the data and plot the same figure using Python. So let's learn how to do this. So this is what we are going to learn in this video. So let's get started. Now to open and work with .fig files in Python, which are typically MATLAB figure files, we will be using scipy.io module. We need loadmat from scipy.io, which allows us to load MATLAB files, and also we will be using matplotlib for plotting. So first let's import the data. So let us first load the fig file. So after loading the figure, we might want to know what kind of data it contains. To do this, we iterate through the keys of the fig data dictionary. This dictionary contains various elements of the figures like axis properties, data points, annotation, and much more. Let's also print the key type. So this basically will print each key found in the fig data dictionary along with its data type. This is very helpful to understand the structure of your MATLAB figure file, as the keys represent different components of the figure such as axis, data points, and so on. So in this case you can see there are several keys. So now we can see that the data lives under this key HGS. In general, a MATLAB figure files can be complex as they contain nested structures reflecting all the elements of the figures such as axes, lines, text, and so on. We will navigate through these nested structures to extract the data we need. Let's start by accessing the specific structure called HGS 070000. This might vary depending on how the figure is structured, so you might need to adjust this for your specific file. So let's access this file HGS and its children to find the plot elements. So I will just copy this. And let's explore the children. Let's open the plot elements. So basically in this code, we are drilling down into the children of these structures to find the plot elements like the line series. This involves accessing arrays within the dictionary where each step gets us closer to the data we want. So next we need to access the graph 2D line series object, which typically contains the actual plot data like x data and y data. These are the x and y values that were plotted in Matlab. So let us extract the line series. Now let's extract the x data and the y data. Similarly, let's extract the y data. So now let's plot these data points. Sorry, this should be capital D. So as you can see, this is how the plot looks. As you can see, we have successfully imported the fig file in Python and then extracted the data, and this is how the plot looks. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a like and subscribe for more. Drop your questions or comment below if you need any help or if there is any other topic you would like me to cover. Thank you, and I will see you soon in my next video.